This 2023 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 29 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Sleeps 10, Slideout, LP Detector, DVD player, Colorado Detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, smoke detector, spare tire kit, awning, skylight, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Flagstaff Super Lite 29 BHS is 7,605 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.